In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. Whether you need to replicate a project outline, maintain a consistent structure for recurring tasks, or simply want to experiment without impacting an existing board, duplicating can be incredibly handy. Let's walk through this process together, and by the end, you'll be able to create duplicates effortlessly. To start things off, we're going to hover over the board name on the left panel of your Monday.com dashboard. Just glide your mouse over the board that you are looking to duplicate. This action will bring into view a subtle icon with 3 dots right next to the board name. This icon is your gateway to various options concerning your board. Once you see the 3 dots icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several choices related to managing your board, such as sharing, archiving, and most importantly for us today, duplicating. Locate and click on Duplicate Board. Now, you'll notice a pop-up on your screen. This is where the magic happens. First, you'll need to set a name for your new board. Think of a name that distinguishes it clearly from the original to avoid any future confusion. You'll also see options that cater to different duplicating needs. You can choose to duplicate the board's structure only, which is great if you need the scaffolding without the data. Alternatively, duplicate the structure and items if you require both the framework and the existing tasks. And for those times when you want an exact replica down to the nuances of each update, go for duplicating the structure, items, and updates. Furthermore, there's an optional setting you'll notice: Keep Board Subscribers. By checking this box, you ensure that anyone subscribed to the original board is automatically subscribed to the new one. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain team collaboration seamlessly across both boards. Once all your desired settings are in place, everything is to your liking, and you've double-checked that board name, there's just one final step. The duplicate button will be your ticket to creating this new board, so go ahead and click on it, and voila! With just a few clicks, we've successfully duplicated our board. You now have a newly minted board ready for you to dive into, be it for starting fresh projects or creating test environments for your workflows. Remember, mastering these kinds of features can greatly enhance your productivity and flexibility. Enjoy exploring this duplicated board and feel free to adapt and adjust it as your projects evolve. Happy organizing!